You want afro? I give you afro. This is so cute. It looks so much like my natural hair. The hair is full and soft. The feeling is like a natural afro hair. Hi lovelies, and welcome back again to the channel. It's Mom and Pretty ISEE here again, and we're here with a new video. La la la. So for today's video, I'm gonna be installing this hair from ISEE. This beautiful package for pinky ladies. Let's go ahead and take out the hair from the box and see. The hair came in this neat box right here. It's so gorgeous and the color is so cute. Let's go ahead and take a look. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, it's so solid, honestly. Now this is the hair right here. I think it has an extra strap in case. Two hair caps, the hairband right here. This is the hair manual. You can follow them up on TikTok and Instagram. And they also have their complimentary card. This is cute. That's cute. Oh my beautiful. You are beautiful, darling. You are. So they have this hair strap that comes with the hair. And this one is an extra one in case you don't like that's the color. If you don't like the red color, you can as well change it to that's black. Isn't that thoughtful? That is so thoughtful about the company. This is so full and gorgeous. So this hair we have here is wear and go half wig. It has a drawstring. You can see this hair. Loveless. It is so full. The texture is Afro coily, invisible hairline around it. It has three combs, one, two here, and the third one is just right here. So this is gonna help you secure it on your hair. I'm gonna take out a little section in front right here. I have this sticking out. Then we're gonna deal with this one. With a slant pattern. This. The back is not so made because we're going to be covering this up. First, I'm going to be adding this lotus body with coconut and shea oils. Look at that. Echo styling gel. Honestly, this is so cute. Look at my braids, still intact underneath the hair. This looks gorgeous. Alright, lovelies, it is dry now. This is what it looks. It looks so grainy. Look at that. Alright, lovelies, this is what we have. I went ahead to tilt the hair to side parting, and it looks so gorgeous. The hair is so soft and it looks like my natural hair. The hair is full and soft. I love it. The trick is you can tilt it however you want it. You can put it side parting or center parting. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also share with your friends, families, and loved ones. And don't forget to grab the link on the video description to navigate ISEE website. Until I see you again next time, remain blessed.